Hey there! Welcome to today's video, where we're going to tackle a common problem that many of us face when dealing with file management. The problem we're addressing involves the challenge of renaming multiple files efficiently, especially when they have a particular symbol, like the pound sign, in their names. In the solution provided, we learn about various applications, such as bulk rename utility, that can help us batch rename files with ease. The key steps involve identifying the symbol in the file names, trimming the text accordingly, and ensuring data safety by backing up files before making any changes. Testing the renaming process on copies first is also emphasized to prevent any unintended consequences. Solution: with the use of regular expressions, Regex, and a bit of file management know-how, you can effectively rename multiple files by selecting the characters before the pound sign and updating the file names accordingly. Remember to exercise caution and test the process on a few files before applying it to all to avoid any mishaps. In summary, we've explored a practical approach to efficiently renaming files that contain specific symbols. By following the outlined steps and taking necessary precautions, you can streamline the file management process and ensure data integrity. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy file renaming.